Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can back up your cPanel files, so let's get right into it. Now, the way that you back this up, there are a couple of different ways. You can use a file transfer protocol or the cPanel file manager to manually back up whichever files you would like, or you can create a full backup, which does have slight differences in how you can restore it and everything. But without further ado, let me go through this guide and show you guys how it is done. Now, to create a full backup, you just need to click download a full account backup to create, download, or store a full backup file, and the generate a full backup interface will appear. Keep in mind that you cannot restore a full backup in cPanel. This is only available in WHM, and to automatically restore it, you need to contact your hosting provider. You can manually restore your public HTML. You just need to uncompress the tar ball or the tar.gz file. This is an archive where your backup will be located. Then you need to go to the home dir, and then locate the public HTML folder and upload all the files from there to your account's public HTML folder, either with the file manager or an FTP account. And then the backup process for an account near or over its quota may fail in case the system cannot write necessary files, such as a database lock, so keep that in mind. Make sure you have enough space. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you click to generate a full backup, you need to select a storage option, either the home directory, which will keep it on the server where your website is located, or you can choose any of these remote options, which you'll need to select the remote location for. You can use a remote FTP server, you can use a remote FTP server with passive mode transfer, or a secure copy protocol, depending on your wishes. Then you can select whether you want to receive a notification when the backup is finished on your email or not. Do as you wish. And then you can include integration links in the backup if you want. Just select include integration links and then add them. And if you've selected a remote location for your backup, you just need to enter the destination's information in the available text boxes, click generate backup, and that is pretty much it. Now, again, you can also do a partial backup. You can download the home directory if you wish. Just go to your home directory, and the backup file will include all the files that you own, including the public HTML, and files that you do not own but you can access. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You just need to zip it up, archive it, and then download it, and that should be it. You can also create backups of your database, email, or email forwarders or filters. However, if you want to do a full backup, that's the easiest way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.